If you want to learn how to quickly create a thumbnail for your YouTube video, just keep watching this video and I'll show you how. Alright, I usually do it a couple different ways. One of the main ways is I will take the video after I've uploaded it and it doesn't have a custom thumbnail. And I'll actually play through the video and make sure that it's at 720. And basically just scrub through until you find a portion of the video that you'd like as the background for the thumbnail. That's usually a good idea to have one that's like indicative of what the video is about. And once you find one, you basically want to take a screenshot. And normally, for most computers, you hit the print screen button on your keyboard. And if you happen to have a newer version of Dropbox, it will automatically put that into a folder for you. So right now I'll hit print screen. And you see that's added a screenshot. So the next thing I do is go to that folder. So I have the screenshots folder open here. And you can see that it created that and put it in the folder. Now if you don't have the Dropbox or you don't want to use that, you could just go to Microsoft Paint, paste the screenshot there, and then save it to a folder. It's basically this kind of the same steps, but I think having the Dropbox makes it easier. And then open up your photo editing programs. You can use free ones called Gimp that a lot of people use, but I prefer to use Photoshop. So open up Photoshop. And what I do is go back to my screenshots. Then I just drag the picture into Photoshop. Select the rectangular select tool. And I'll basically just select screenshot of what I just took. Go up to image, click crop. Then now I'll get down to just what you want for the thumbnail. Then I'll zoom in a little bit. Now if something isn't exactly the way you like it, you could fix it up. Like I don't want to have my subscriber button here show up in the thumbnail. So I'll come over to the spot healing brush and just go over that really quickly here. And it gets rid of that. Then I'll go to the text tool and type in whatever I want for basically what the video is about or the video's title. Or I just type in here. Hit the check mark when you're done. And create something else. Click done. And you can choose selection tool there. And then you can come over here to the layers and then move them around to where you finally want them. Now you want them kind of towards the middle because anything to the far edges like top or sides will be cut off. And also we don't want anything in this bottom right corner because that's where the actual time indicator will be when it's actually a thumbnail on YouTube. So that'll block whatever you put. So you want to kind of make sure that it's away from the sides. It doesn't necessarily have to be directly in the middle. And you can choose whatever font you have. You have the character here. You can choose whatever font you like that looks well. You can resize them here if you want. So if I shrink it down, I can resize it to whatever I want. And also what's nice is if you come down here to the FX, they give you various options for text. You could do like a bevel and emboss, which will change the look at it. If you like that, that's fine. And if you don't like it, you just right click on it. On the actual effects part, and then you could choose different ones and go through different ones. So you could do try drop shadow, see how it looks. I think that's a nice effect. You can also uncheck them if you don't want them. And one of the ones I like is stroke, because that gives a nice outline to it, so it'll really show up. You can increase that if you like up here, the size. And if you like the way it's looking, click OK. And then if you want to add that to your other words, just right click on it. And down here you'll see copy layer style. Click on that. And go to the other one that you want to copy it to. Click paste. And that'll paste it. And then you just file, save as, and save it to wherever you want. And then just go into the editing of your video. Come down here to the bottom right and you'll see change image, and you go and choose the one that you just created, and then that will be your new YouTube thumbnail. If you'd like to see more Windows 8, Android, or beginners videos, click on one of these video clips, and also consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.